Go. Welcome to part 3 of Swablu Community Day. What do you call it? Fluffy bird research? I don't know. What do you call it?
Fluffy bird research?
What do you call it?
Cotton-winged bird.
Cotton-winged bird. It was close enough.
Fluffy wing.
Yeah.
Fluffy flying thing.
So I will read out what Professor Okalok has to say here. Oh my goodness. So tired. This is my second coffee too. Incredible work, Harry Potter 33. Thank you. He finally called me my name. Earlier he just called me trainer. You're like, seriously? Seriously? You know it's me. Looks like you have been hard at work catching Swablu. Well, I have, yes, thanks. Evolving Swablu is truly an act of patience, isn't it? Oh yeah, because you need 400. Because it only started off with like 4,500 candy, so yeah. Patience is often called a virtue in a broad sense, but really is an integral part of being a great trainer. Thank you. As the saying goes, good things come to those who wait.
I don't know.
All your hard work will feel justified once you witness the darling Swablu evolve. Of that, you have my word. Thank you. Just one more leg of this journey left to go. Harry Potter 33, let's go. I have not evolved a shiny Swablu, so maybe this is the time to make three great curveball throws.
Not in a row.
No. Oh, that's good. Evolve one Swabblicious and transfer 10. So 3 great curveballs.
3 great curveballs. That not in a row. That's really good for Daddy.
Yeah, it'll be easy enough.
Because Daddy had a really hard time for the spin dot.
I've had this spin now about 2 days, I think. With 5 great in a row. Oh.
Do you have the 4 excellence yet?
4 excellence. Don't do that. Owen got his. Can't believe it. He tried like for about 5 minutes and got it.
Yeah.
I was like, seriously, you got that right? What? So I'll use a great ball and I'll get a great throw. You watching this? Finger in the buzzer. What? Didn't even hit it.
He didn't even hit it.
Bop, bop, bop. Here we go.
Bop, bop, bop.
Ratata. Oh, it's the same one.
His thing goes.
Seriously, every time I do this here, it just jumps. Idiot. Absolute idiot.
Oh, Daddy, 200 Swablu candy.
Getting loads of candy delicious for this. But we want ulterior candy. Mega energy, sorry.
Yeah, Daddy, we'll get in 6 hours, it's fine.
Yeah.
Daddy, I just got a great throw on accident and I don't even need one.
Well, I am not getting any great throws. I really tried there. I really did try.
Finally, my Ultra Balls are showing up.
At the rain? Yep, that's the rain. Where's wee Benji?
No idea.
Wee Benji's out there somewhere.
Maybe an Ethan's one?
Stuck in the rain. No, I thought he's outside.
I don't actually know.
Do you know what? I haven't checked my middle research to see
Oh, the today?
if I have to claim anything, because sometimes you get...
there is none in today?
No, the middle. The field research to see if it...
Earn 5 hearts with your buddy when 2 raids, catch 5 dark type Pokemon.
Right.
That's what I have.
I didn't even see whether I got a grip through there, but if it did, that was 2. Seriously, these aren't spawning. 2 at once. You having a laugh? Only one shiny.
This thing goes brrr.
Yes, there we are. Nice and easy we throw there. Nice and easy. 5 great in a row. There's 2. So one more to go. It's lashing. I was thinking once I get this research done, I might go out a run, but
Yeah.
I
I don't
know.
think that's happening.
I don't know. It's not
It's
really.
picking up really fast.
Yeah, it's absolutely lashing out there. So I think our wee cat might be hiding underneath the cover over the patio furniture. If that's what you call it, garden furniture. Is that the right name? Garden furniture.
No idea, but
A seat,
furniture.
8
That's the
chairs, and a big table, and a big umbrella. Whatever you call that.
Parasol.
Parasol. That's good. Collectively, they're known as what? So, transfer 10, make 3. I need one more great. So, do you know what I'm doing? 4-star again. 4-star.
Yeah.
No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I don't
10.
know transfer Pokemon.
Transfer. Right. I need a great throw. So, they're not really spawning the greatest here. What was that?
Probably Rachel one.
Oh, yeah. It's Rachel on her,
Can you
serious? On the penny board, yep. So everyone's wanting to go back down to the skate park today. Because skate park is awesome. Connor got rollerblades. That's a row of 4 wheels in a row. What?
Do you want to evolve her?
I'm still catching. Yeah, I could evolve. Yeah.
Have you not even got the great phone yet?
No, I'll try this one and then I'll evolve. If I don't get it here, then I'll just go on after you evolve. Here we go. 601. Great ball for a great throw. You watching this?
No.
Watching this?
You're not doing the quick catch. But you didn't do the quick catch.
Oh yeah, I'm the best trainer ever.
Oh, yeah.
Ever. What?
You're not.
Yes, I am. The best trainer ever. There, I get 3. Everybody else in the whole world is stuck on this right now. Evolve one Swabulicious.
Daddy.
So we'll see this here.
Daddy.
Swablu. Yeah, Diablo. Yeah.
Diablo.
Yeah. I'm doing D again. S-W-A-B. What? What the? Swa.
Blue.
And.
Yellow. Shiny.
I've just deleted the whole thing. Shiny. And Swa.
Oh, blue.
Seriously, C. Yeah. Shiny and Sea Biscuit.
Sea blue.
1, 2, 3. See, there's 5 there in total. How's your... Oh, yeah, I had 4. So let me see. Here's the one I caught today. Do you know what? Let me see the other ones. I don't even think I've checked them out for...
Swampert.
Look at this. Look at that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to...
Daddy.
What?
That's
What? Yeah, so we're going to evolve this one. So look, I've 5,525 Swablu candy. Evolve. 3, 2, 1. Bam! Evolve one Swabulicious. Look at that. It's just beautiful. Does it stay golden?
Yeah.
Hope it turns out this is good for PvP. Imagine one of them bad boys you come up against. They're just so good. But just look at that. Just so intimidating.
Oh wait, Daddy, I see Mega Evolve.
Yeah, 200. Mega Evolve. You need more Ultra Mega Energy. Do you? Aye.
Yeah, you do.
There we are. So.
Wait, Daddy.
What?
Talk to us.
Wait. No, you're cheating. Owen's cheating. Are you getting invited to a raid?
Pancham.
Right, I need to collect this there. 100.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, is it there? Am I getting right? Just go ahead and do this then. Then we'll collect it. Beard of Beauty, Pancham. Because we've only done one Pancham.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go. Panchamalicious.
I want Pangoro.
Go to shop. Are you serious? I better get in time. See if you get in and I don't. I'm going to throw your phone out the window instead
10
of mine.
seconds.
9, 8, 7. There we are.
There wasn't 10 seconds. Daddy, look what I'm going to use.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely not using my shiny old area I just got.
Definitely not sponsored. We're definitely not sponsored by the delicious Waterworks coffee.
Daddy. Wait, Daddy.
Oh, delicious.
Daddy.
Yeah.
You trying not to hide. You trying not to hide the. You trying to hide the Coke Zero.
Yeah. But I just didn't want to show that coffee cup in case you're not allowed to advertise that wee coffee hut that sits in the Waterworks, which is the nicest coffee ever. The wee place that sits when you go to the Waterworks and sits there. I just don't want to advertise them as the nicest coffee in Belfast. You know, so definitely do not mention
You literally just
the Works
advertised
coffee hut that sits beside the football pitch in the Waterworks being the nicest coffee in Belfast. Don't mention it, okay? Don't mention the coffee in the Waterworks is the nicest in Belfast ever. Don't mention it.
Daddy, you
okay?
you
I'm trying to stop
Daddy,
him advertising.
Daddy, you literally just mentioned it.
I said not to mention it.
Oh, fine.
Oh, sorry. So 10:34. I hurt my arm there. You push my arm back and show us. So here we go. Remember to use smine apple because he likes smine apples.
Excellent.
Excellent. Who is that?
Mr. Mackey from the donkey.
You don't know who that is?
No.
Can't believe you don't know. I'll do it again once more. Excellent.
No idea who that is, Dada.
What do you call him?
Peter Pan.
No, from Simpsons.
No.
Mr. Burns owns a power plant, the nuclear power plant.
Peter Pan.
And he's a big meanie. Excellent.
Daddy, hurry up.
Seriously? Pan Chamalicious?
Daddy, if you don't hurry up.
Yeah, you got a great.
Daddy.
Yeah. What?
If you don't hurry up, I'm just gonna claim that. Yes. Why did you say it so quietly?
Here we go. We say because it's a hundo. That's why. That's why it took me so long to catch it. 12 Pancham candy. Well, do you know what? It's all right. We could trade our Pancham.
No.
To see if it goes lucky. Is this another one?
Daddy, just claim this.
No, that was the old one there.
Daddy, just claim.
I don't know where to go. Where am I going?
In
There.
binoculars.
So I'm getting a incubator. Couldn't get that name out. Another 100. And there we are. We're getting 2,500 XP. Our claim. A rocket radar. 15 ultra balls. 2,500.
I just skipped.
Welcome
over
back,
that.
trainer. I see your efforts have paid off. Well done. Swablu's evolution Altaria is called the humming Pokemon.
I will sit on your head.
It's known to wrap its wings around the people it's bonded with, more like yours is doing with you now. And humming all the while. Well, see, humming. When I went to school, there was a teacher went crazy because there was someone in the class just kept on going. Anytime he was turned around and writing on the blackboard, and chalkboard, writing on the chalkboard, and he turned around. Who's doing that? And then someone else would do it. So this went on, and basically he got tortured. So he cracked up one day and he just went, "Stop it!" and turned round, and he just booted with their own desks, and he just kicked, and the desk just went flat up, broke the desk, and he ended up taking weeks off. It was I suppose funny for some people in the class, but not for him. Anyway, there's humming, all humming. And humming all the while. You know, people say that Altaria's humming could enrapture an entire audience with its beauty, and it's not hard to see why. Seriously. See if that just kept on humming, I'm sure Professor Oak would just boot Altaria right over in trees. What a lovely Altaria. Hoof! Just hoof him right away. So, between Altaria's song and your remarkable bond, I have to say I'm feeling quite moved, yeah. Just like Altaria flying through them trees in any moment. You truly are an incredible trainer. Thank you. Thank you for your help on the latest adventure, High Power 33. I never get tired of learning more about Pokemon. Now let's go! Oh. Welcome back. This is part 4 of 4. We get 3 pinups. Oh, 3,500. And see if this is an Altaria and not... I mean, see if this is Swablu and not an Altaria. I want a refund of my 99p. Or I think it's actually 79p, is it? It's 99 cents.
It's 48.
What?
It's 48p.
It's not 48p.
It is.
It's a Swablu. I want a refund.
Why?
I want an Altaria. Listen, 79p is a lot of money. See, back when I were young, that would have got you, you know, a bus to the cinema. What happened there? Is that it? Did I catch it?
What do you mean a bus to the cinema?
Oh, got you a bus to the cinema. Got all your sweets, money in the cinema, chips for the way home, you know, a private chauffeur for the way home, and you still have change. 79p is a lot of money.
Daddy.
So let me, what?
Let's see if this is Altaria.
Oh, I thought that was it. So this is Altaria. Sorry. I don't want a refund yet. Let me see. Are we ready?
Daddy, it's not Altaria.
3, 2, 1. 3,000 Stardust. 3 rare candy. Will you just get on with it and show me what I've got?
It is.
Yay! We got a little terrier. Forget about that refund, okay? Forget about the refund. It's an 844. What's your supper?
872.
Seriously?
No, 822.
822. So mine's higher.
Yeah.
Come on, the hundo. Come on, the hundo. If I don't get a hundo, I want a refund of my 79p.
Daddy, it's not going to be
Altaria. Why isn't that going to be a hundo? Why can't you catch a hundo Altaria?
Daddy,
What?
because yours is 20 CP higher than mine.
And it could be a
and
hundo.
mine's a 2-star.
What? Just ruin it for me. It's a third hundo. See, I've got one of them up to 15. 15, 11, 12. It's alright. I'm going to keep it. Seriously? So is that it? Is that all the research over?
Yep.
Special. I need another 200 odd of them nice throws for excellence. Let me see in here. I can claim this. Catch 5 dark type to get one of them. And what's that? These Pokestops? What is that lured on already?
Daddy, it lasts for 30 minutes.
There's right, okay, there we are. So what we will do is we will be back whenever we catch something else.
Another shiny or a 100?
Something more exciting. Anything else exciting happen. We'll just catch these couple of here. So yes, let us know. Did you get any hundos? Did you get any shinies? How quick is your shinies? What else do we need to know, Owen?
Did you finish your research?
Did your teacher kick your desk, clean off its legs and fly into the air and take a few weeks off work when you were younger?
And boot it through the roof?
Did you put your teacher's head away by going?
Have you ever hummed in class? I sounded like a hum.
So I forgot. Seriously, I can't believe the lack of
Chinese?
the lack of shinies. We'll see yes. Trying to do this quick catch again. I keep forgetting how to do it. See, you do sound back.
Daddy, hold the berry, throw the ball, swipe across, click the screen, and hit run away.
See, this is the third time trying to do this, right? We see wop 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 wop.
No.
Yeah, this is the fourth time trying to catch it. This is going to be CP10. Yep. Wop 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 wop. Yes, another one. Another one. 5, 6, 7. Is that the same one?
No.
What was my other one? My other one was a 5, 6, 7. Have I caught 2 the same? Have I caught 2 the same?
No, the other one was 176.
It wasn't. It was a big one.
It was.
We will see. Swabulicious. Here we go. It's different IVs, but I think it was a 500 odd. Let me see. 5, 6, 7. Oh, I evolved it. So I don't know. We'll need to look back and see what it was.
Can you get me
A cup of tea. What?
No.
What?
Can you get me a schmundo?
What's a schmundo?
Shiny
Shiny hundo you catch on Monday. Is it schmundo?
No, Daddy.
No, Donnie. No, Donnie.
Stop.
Dad jokes, dad jokes. What you gonna do?
Stop.
You
How do you know that sounded like a dad joke?
Right, here we go. This is gonna be a shiny. You ready? Shiny hundo. What day is this? Saturday?
7.
It's a. How's it gonna say? A Saturday. Shiny hundo. Shitundo? No.
Shut up, no. It's not even a shiny, Daddy.
But if it was a shiny hundo that you catch on Saturday, what's it gonna be? A Situndo?
No.
Yeah,
No.
it is.
That just sounds like like you're saying the F word.
I was sitting on the toilet and I caught a shitundo.
Why? Why are you playing Pokemon Go in the bathroom?
Because I was stuck. I was locked in the bathroom for an hour.
What?
I had nothing to do but to catch shitundos.
You'll catch the
Trade me a shitundo!
Daddy,
Do you know what we need to do? We need to do some trades.
Daddy, you're loud. Daddy, I don't know if they can tell, but you're being really loud.
Come on here, come on. What time is it there on this? 20 minutes? Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
You know what we'll have to
Oh my
do?
goodness. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god, my hair.
No, what's wrong with your hair?
I said not the same, but oh my god, my hair.
No, it's not the same.
It is. That's the Ermagerd. The original one was Ermagerd my hair, wasn't it?
That doesn't mean that's all. That's what you have to say always.
No, but that's the original one, isn't it? So,
No.
here, do you want to do a trade of the Pancham?
No.
Why? We could get a lucky and... No?
I'm lucky that.
Yes! 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 I was going to stop recording this once I get my third shiny. There we are, 222. Here we go. Going to get an excellent on it as well. Watch this. Bam! Told you. This is definitely the hundo. There's, how many have you caught now?
So,
I'm in the lead. Swabulicious was caught with a CS. You ready?
I'm just bored. I can't catch anything good.
Well, you're going to catch something good next.
I'm not.
Oh, here we are. Imagine getting 2 shinies in a row. You ready? 3, 2, 1. It's a blue shiny. Yes! Got an excellent on it.
Why?
2 excellents in a row. Oh my goodness. Could this be it?
No, it can't. What?
It didn't come up streak broken. Let me see. Have I done 3 excellents in a row? I still said a 2.
What did you even do?
So, see the quick catch? Does that not take your excellent miss off you? Have I found a glitch? I done one there and it wasn't an accident and it didn't take it off me. It didn't say streak broken.
Niantic?
Oh, there's it actually run away now. Is it? It hasn't taken it off me. Oh, this is looking good. I can't wait. There we are.
Shiny.
Oh, that's shiny. So let's see if this glitch is working here. So I have to make sure. Have I found the glitch? Have I found the glitch? Absolutely devastated. I thought it was a glitch. I thought I found the best glitch of the year. Oh my goodness. Right, that's part 4, 3 and 4 over. We will see you once we catch something absolutely spectacular.
Daddy,
Yes?
watching Niantic comments on this video, stop trying to trick the game.
Oh no, I'm not trying to trick the game. I just found a trick in the game. I'm not hacking and changing codes and...
You really are.
I'd have a big glass screen here going...
Well, do you not see it?
No, oh, I suppose I wouldn't. It's glass.
Daddy.
I just go to get up and just go... Oh!
Daddy.
Well, it hurt me there.
Glass.
Really sore.
Glass is transparent. You can see it.
Glass is transparent. Yeah, you can. I'll see it and see through it. So what's that mean?
That you can see it. And
Is that translucent?
Oh, I forgot about that.
What'd you forget about?
Snapshots.
What's the time in this video? 24. You know what we're going to do? I'm going to stop it here because the snapshots sometimes take away. And we'll see you in a snapshot video. Okay? Over and out.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.